Hi guys, how are you all doing? And today I'm going to be presenting to you Linux Mint 19.1 Tessa, and I've installed it and I've been using for a week, and I can say to you it's definitely really good, and no wonder why it's one of the most popular Linux distros available at the moment. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to present to you is the new and improved panel that they have made. And as you can see here, it looks really modern. And let me show you the welcome screen that comes up when you install it first time. And in the first steps, when you come down into the desktop layout, you can see how the traditional Mint layout used to look and how the modern panel layout is looking. And it looks really good. It looks really slick, and I really like it. And if you click on the menu here, you can see how the icons are actually looking here. They just look really great. Okay, next up we are going to look at the Nemo desktop file manager, and for this version of Mint they have an improved optimized version of Nemo, and they claim it to be really fast. So let's have a look, and as you can see I'm just clicking through all the different locations on my computer, and it's loading really fast, so that's really good actually. And they have made a number of improvements in the Nemo file manager which improves the performance of this application. And moving on, there's a whole heap of new artwork in form of the desktop backgrounds that they have included in this version. So let me show you. For Tessa, there's a whole heap of new really lovely looking wallpapers, and also for Tara you can see there's a whole heap of wallpapers that are available. So it's really nice. Next up are the themes that are available. So just right clicking and going into the themes, and I can actually change the themes of the different Windows borders, icons and controls and desktop. And if I just click here, there's a whole heap of different kinds of themes available. I currently have it set on Minty Dark. Mint is now the version 19.1 which I'm reviewing is basically built on Cinammon 4.0, and it's built on the Linux kernel 4.15, and it's actually built on top of Ubuntu 18.04 package. And having said that, this version of Mint will receive security updates up until 2023, so you can be rest assured that your software will always be up to date until that time. Next up, let's review the software sources. So one of the changes that they have made in this version is they have a new and improved looked software sources. So let's have a look. So as you can see, it has a sidebar here now, and it's a new and improved look, and this is how the layout basically looks. Next up, let's have a look at Update Manager. And in Update Manager you can actually have a list of Linux kernels. So 4.15 is the active kernel. So if I want, I can actually install a newer version of kernel, but this is at my own risk because there may be compatibility issues. And I can also see a history of updates that have been applied. So you can see here all the different updates that have been applied. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover for this video, and thanks a lot for watching.